Adobe Audition is a great tool for working with audio. It has many features that make editing, mixing, and restoring sound much easier. Whether you are working on music, podcasts, or voice recordings, this program offers a clean and well-organized interface. One of the best things about Adobe Audition is its ability to remove noise and improve the overall sound quality. The program includes powerful effects and tools for fixing audio issues, such as clicks, hums, and background noise. This is especially useful for those who need clear and professional sound. Another strong point is the multi-track editor. It allows users to work with multiple audio layers at the same time. You can cut, move, and adjust tracks easily, which is helpful when creating complex audio projects. The waveform editor also makes precise edits possible, helping users shape their sound exactly as they need. Adobe Audition supports many file formats, making it easy to work with different types of audio. The program integrates well with other Adobe software, such as Premiere Pro, which is useful for video editors who need high-quality sound. Overall, Adobe Audition is a great choice for anyone who needs professional audio editing. It offers strong tools for improving sound, an easy-to-use interface, and great flexibility for different types of projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced editor, this program provides everything needed for high-quality audio work.